To order a replacement filter, contact us at www.whirlpool.com/owners. The water filter compartment is located in the left side of the refrigerator ceiling. Remove the filter housing cover. Locate the accessory packet in the refrigerator and remove the water filter. Take the water filter out of its packaging and remove the cover from the O-rings. Be sure the O-rings are still in place after the cover is removed. Insert the filter into the housing and turn the filter clockwise until it locks into the housing. Note: if the filter is not correctly locked into the housing, the water dispenser will not operate and water will not flow from the dispenser. Add the filter housing cover in the front of the water filter. Flush the water system. See water and ice dispensers for details. Important: if you do not flush the water system, you may experience dripping and/or decreased water flow from the water dispenser. Refer to your owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the QR code on your refrigerator for additional information.